You see, many youth today are so confused in life. Many youth today has messed up their life. Many has placed their life in the middle of nowhere, all because of confusion, all because they are complicating their life. They don't know where to follow. They don't know which way to go. They don't know the best way for them to follow. Ejike, my friend, happens to be a footballer. He operates a barbing salon. He is a dancer, and at the same time, he is into provision store. Imagine that. I comforted him to know how he's able to control and manage up to 4 different careers at a time. Because personally, I believe that jack of all trades make perfect of none. You understand? But I was shocked by the answer he gave to me. He said, "Oh boy, if you only follow one way, you no go chop." I was like, how do you mean? Why do you say so? Why do you believe that? Why do you have this mindset in your memory? He told me that in this generation, and especially in this country, that if you just depend only in one way, you can never make success. I told him that I don't believe that, and as a matter of fact, I need evidence. I need proof. Let him show me the reason why he has that particular mindset in him. Because me, I believe what I practice, and I practice what I believe. And we run into a heated argument. He took me and we went to a pharmacy shop just close by. And to my greatest surprise, I was shocked and amazed by what I saw. One side of the shop were filled with medicine, one side with cosmetics, and the other side were filled with provision. Ejike observed that I looked so confused and surprised. He looked at me and smiled and said, "Oh boy, it shocked you? We are not done yet," he continued. He said, "Today I'm going to show you that you people who are claiming to be the master of everything do not know everything." He then took me and we went to another barbing salon just opposite the street. And as we get there, he asked me to go in while he stand outside waiting. My dear friend, on my entry, I discovered that the barbing salon were made up of boutique, provision of pet drinks, and barbing salon at the edge of the room. And with that, Ejike began to laugh at me and said, "Now do you believe that jack of all trades is the best way to survive? Now do you believe that?" Now, my dear friends, how do you see this argument? How do you see this conversation? And what do you think about it? I know some of you will say yes, it is the best way to live. Some will say no, it is not. And some will probably run into arguments, just as me and Ejike did. But the truth still remains that when you take a closer look at those people putting both hands at mouth, when you check the way they flourish, and you check those who maintain only one way, you will personally observe that there is a huge amount of difference. You will personally observe that the movement of bus and the movement of truck are not the same, even though they were both made for logistics. My dear friends, when you want to be perfect in life, when you want to be perfect in your field, and when you want to make success in your career, do not accept a life of complication. Do not accept the life of jam-packing different careers just to make quick money. Do not accept a life of complication, no matter how you are being convinced to do so. A jack of all trades cannot and will never make perfect of both. Multi-talented someone is not a multi-career someone. Most of the times, we take the way things are around us now and we venture into something that will affect us in years to come. Many youth today are already confused because they started life with complication. You want to become a footballer, you want to be a musician, and at the same time you want to become an actor simply because you see those in that field making money. And bet me, at the end, you will end up confusing yourself and you won't achieve anything. Think about it, my friend. If you happen to be God, in which area will you bless such a person from? My people will say that onye na mara ebo na aga agaghị ama mgbe o ruru. He who don't know where he's going to will not even know when he reached there. Yes, it is true. Absolutely truth. Because one person cannot be a football star and a music star at the same time. No, it cannot happen. We all need money. Yes, I know. I understand that. There is no doubt about it. But the money will come only when we know what we want and create a solid way for it. My dear friends, do not follow the multitude who lives a life of complication, who live from hands to mouth. They will always make you to believe that it pays. But take a closer look at them and you will understand that they only live on their daily income. No investment, no assets, and that's life being worth living. So why not choose a simple life and make your money? Why not choose a simple life and be happy? Why not follow only your career and gain the benefits, even though it may take time? But when it finally manifests, you will forever be remembered. My dear friends, nothing good comes easily, but you must tell yourself the truth, because the greatest truth is the one that you tell yourself. Choose good life, choose your career, choose great future, and choose wisely. Thanks for your time, thanks for your understanding, thanks for your patience. Once again, my name is Anthony Emeka. I'm your friend, I'm your son, and I'm your brother. Understand me and I'll be useful to you. Watam Kambaragyo. He who knows where he's going to will definitely reach there. But he who don't know where he's going to, even when he gets there, he will not still know. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to subscribe. And to you, my return subscribers, I say thank you. Because of you, I'm always here. Without you, there will be no me.